This was just one of many side events that took place during Sinulog, off on a lot of the various streets. They had their own little party going on, different businesses. I'm walking up Ramos Avenue. A lot of people out. This was maybe about 8:30 p.m. Walking up towards Mango Avenue. Used to be the main area for street dancing and everything. Went up there, and not quite the same this year. Events at different malls, at SRP, South Road Properties, downtown, Uptown. Anyway, I'm going to let you listen in on the street. Most years, pedestrians pretty much took over the streets, many of the streets up here, including Mango Avenue, Mango Square. Used to be a lot of bars, entertainment area up there. They've shut most of those bars down, and they've got traffic moving, although slowly, with a lot of people out there. Anyway, I'm going to turn off the narration, just let the rest of the video run with no narration. You can listen in if you want. That electronic noise is probably copyrighted, so I had to turn the volume here for a bit. But yeah, not nearly as many people as past years. Mango Square across the street over there used to be mostly bars up along that block area, but they pretty much closed it down a few years ago, and they have kind of spread out from here down the street quite a ways. Anyway, yeah, a lot different than years past. The police are very mellow, and they have a lot of police out here, uniformed and non-uniformed. Only once I saw a couple that there were some people walking down the street with open bottles of beer, and they said, "Oh, you can't do that." They just asked them to sit on the side of the road and finish drinking it. Another copyrighted song, "I Love Cebu," that's been playing for days and days and days, over and over and over and over. One of a couple songs that they play for a couple of weeks during the Sinulog Festival here in Cebu City. So, what do you think? Did you go to any of the events if you were in town? Did you watch any on television? Did you know people who participated? They were spread out, much more spread out, with some at SRP, South Road Properties, some Uptown. Anyway, in past years, last year, and then we didn't have a Sinulog from 2019 on because of the government lockdowns. But almost all the stores were closed, and so it was hard to find a CR, a toilet. And the parade went up and down this street, so a lot of people, a million people, couple million people. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you next time.